So my air conditioning just went out. It's only blowing hot air, and obviously it's like 90 degrees outside. So we about to walk inside this Love's and grab some refrigerant, Freon, whatever you call it, and we're gonna try to put it in my truck. And since it's my first time, y'all coming with me, just in case y'all gotta help me. So come on, let's go. It didn't work. We gotta figure this out. So part 2, because it's 90 degrees.